All right. Yesterday, I shared a post about the Sussex County homebuyer grant, and I wanted to collectively get on here and give like a overall, this is what it is. So everyone kind of had an idea. I did have to actually call Sussex County so I could speak with the persons who are responsible for the program. And so this information is coming directly from Sussex County. So if you guys can hear me, then please wave, let me know, share it with your friends. I'm going to get on here and share it to one place where I do it. So basically, Sussex County was awarded money while I'm waiting for everybody to come on here. Sussex County, and if you can hear me, let me know. I need to know y'all can hear me before I get too deep. So, thank you. So Sussex County was awarded money for home buyers. It'll also go towards like developers and things of that nature, but we're going to touch on it for the home buyer aspect. And with that, what the program is going to do is basically it will give you anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 for you to contribute towards your home purchase. Now, so we are clear. You do have to qualify for this program. It's not something where they're just giving out monies. So you still have to qualify. You still have to be able to qualify for a mortgage with a bank in order for you to participate. They are requesting that if you are going to apply for this program, I can still be your realtor or whatever realtor. If you do have a realtor who is familiar with the program, they can still be your realtor. But when you go to the housing counseling agency, make sure that they know that you have a realtor. So the housing counseling agency will be able to help you if you feel like that you need help with not if, but you have to go through the housing counseling agency in order for them to be able to assist you for you to get these funds, because you will have to participate in the first time home buyer workshops that they have. Are we clear? If we have any questions, please post them so I can make sure that we all heard me. The homebuyer program that I posted yesterday is eligible for people in Sussex County who fit the income requirements. I have posted them attached to this video. They are there. If you click the link, you can go down mid-page or down the page, and it will provide you with the homebuyer requirements or income requirements for this program. In order for you to participate in this program, you do have to go through a housing counseling agency that's HUD approved. So for Sussex County, that's going to be First State Community Action Agency, and that's also going to be InCall. I believe those are the two. There might be others, but those are the two that I can think of off the top of my head. Now, somebody asked me, what are the income guidelines? Again, they are posted. The income guidelines are determined by HUD. So every year, HUD, which is USDA Housing Administration, they go through and they create the list of income requirements based off of how many people are in your home. So that will be found at the link that's attached to this video. Now, on the other side, they do have a portion of this program, I think, that goes towards renter funds and developers. So if you're a developer or a person who is going to develop or make some homes that are affordable housing, they have options for you as well. I did not ask about that because that doesn't fall within the scope of work that I do. If you have questions, you can click the link and reach out to them. I'm sure they'll do their best to answer your questions. So hopefully this program will do really well with helping people who maybe didn't have a lot of money saved to go towards home buying, because DSHA, which is Delaware State Housing Authority, they weren't able to give out money because the interest rates had adjusted. So this program is going to be really good for helping with that. And that was based off of the home buyer workshop that I did on Tuesday. If you missed that, go over to my page, watch it. It's about an hour long. You can push play and just listen, but it's a lot of information in there that's going to help you. So Shannon, how does this help me as a person who needs to buy a home? So if you need to buy a home, and let's say you didn't necessarily have a lot of money saved, then this money is going to be good for you because you can use it towards the cost of purchasing a home. And once you get it, you do have to stay in the home for 10 years, and then it's forgiven. Free monies. Free. Okay? You live in the house for 10 years, they forgive it. You can't get any better than that. So for a lot of people, you know, you might have to come out of pocket $12,000, $15,000 between closing costs and down payments if you have to have a down payment. So this program can make a difference. If you felt like you couldn't qualify for a house before because you didn't have the money saved or you didn't have enough for closing costs, then this program is going to be really, really beneficial to you. If you guys have any questions, please post them. And that's pretty straight. Got to go through a housing counseling agency. If you need a realtor or you don't have one that you're already working with, I would love to be your agent. I have years of experience with helping first-time home buyers with becoming homeowners. And then from there, you know, your lender will qualify you for a loan. And then the monies will come. Now, how does this... So if I'm going to get the monies and they'll forgive it after 10 years, what does it look like if I don't stay in the house for 10 years? So when you get the monies, typically for home buyer assistance, then it becomes something called a silent second. This is going to be a quick lesson for you guys. And if I'm giving you too much too fast, let me know. When you buy a house, that's maybe like $100,000. This is the house. Well, if you use closing costs program or home buyer programs, this has to be paid first. And at the end of the 30 years, then this comes into effect, which would be the home buyer program. Now, if you stay in it for 10 years, it goes away. That's how that works. Okay? So hopefully this will help more people who were kind of on the fence about wanting to be a homeowner with helping them to position themselves to become a homeowner. So if you guys have any questions, post them below. I will keep an eye on this. Please share this with your friends. You know, I still have a goal to help 18 more families become homeowners or help them sell their home this year. So if you don't qualify for a home buyer program, that's fine. I can still help you or direct you in the path that you need to go to. So I hope this finds you well. You guys take advantage of these programs while they're here. If for some reason you cannot qualify for a mortgage, this money is going to be first come, first served. So when it's gone, it's gone. So let's say you can get the monies, but your credit's not strong. You're going to need to work on your credit. Yes, the housing counseling agencies should be able to assist you with your credit. However, if you feel like you need more hand holding, then, you know, you're welcome to let me know, and I'm happy to assist you with your credit needs, but you still have to go over there to them for your housing counseling so you can get your certificate to qualify for the funds. My name is Shannon. I specialize in real estate. Y'all thought I was going to say first-time home buyers. I'm not. So my goal is to help you complete successful real estate transactions within the time frame that you want, according to what your goal is. You guys can follow me here on Facebook, or else we can get in contact. You can text or call me at 302-330-2572, or you can email me at shannon.payton@exprealty.com. I will repeat that, even though it should be connected to this video. That's shannon.payton@exprealty, and I can actually send you the criteria for the program in an email if for some reason you're not able to access it through the links that I provided. So you guys have a good one and enjoy the rest of this day. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.